Hi everyone! Today I will show you 38th issue of Coloring Haven magazine. Title is Fairies and Friends Special and the artist is Meredith Dillman. Meredith already published two coloring books, one about fairies and foxes and it has Japanese fairies and another one about fairies fashion. So in this issue we have a selection of 40 best pictures from both books. I immediately noticed how pretty are all fairies and how beautiful are botanical elements on the pictures. Usually Meredith did her paintings with watercolors and I will leave you a link to her personal website in the info box. But here we can practice with any art supplies because paper is quite nice. In this book we can find flower fairies, fairies which are very similar to anime characters, fairies from Japanese legends, fairies which are similar to medieval characters and even Art Nouveau. So it's a very nice selection. So if you love fairies and you want to practice coloring faces, this is really a very nice and interesting coloring book. We have pictures of different difficulty, some are very detailed and some are more simple. And I also like that some pictures has this border around. I don't know why I prefer pictures this way, maybe because in this way they are more similar to real book illustrations. I must confess that I've never heard about this artist before this issue and I've never seen any finished pictures by other colorists, but now this is definitely one of my favorite colorists because I really love when fairies have nice faces and this is one of my favorite pictures in the whole book. It's called Peach Blossom. By the way, if you love Coloring Haven magazines, you definitely need to visit their Facebook group because they have very interesting coloring contests. For example, coloring contest for coloring cover of each new issue, and they also have very generous gifts. This is one of my favorite fairies because it's a fairy of crafting and you know that I love cross stitching and that fairy was with scissors and needles, so it will be one of the pictures which I want to color as soon as possible. I think it would be cool to try and to color fairies using acrylic paint and then adding another layers with the pearlescent watercolors because fairies they deserve to be shining. And this is another one of my favorite pictures, very medieval looking fairy with grail. And on the last page we have information about their summer sale, so if you had missed some of their latest issues, you may be interested in visiting publisher's website. And you also can color the back cover. In my opinion, it's amazing new issue and I'm very happy that thanks to Coloring Haven, now I knew about this artist. She also published two very interesting books, one about how to draw fantasy fashion and another one about how to draw fairies, very interesting for those who paint and who draw. There is also a book which helps to trace fairies onto the paper or canvas, and Meredith also has wonderful notebooks and journals. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Happy coloring to all of you.